article marketing. We're going to start talking about promoting your WordPress blog with article marketing, just because it's a great way that a lot of people just starting out use, because it doesn't cost anything and it's something that you should be able to do pretty easily. Article marketing is basically the process of creating pieces of content, articles, and then posting them to article directories. These article directories are places that have a lot of traffic, and not only does your article get a good bit of visibility, but it also gets a powerful backlink back to your blog. So in other words, let's look at the top article directory. Easy Articles is a really good place, and the thing is, whenever Google comes through here and they see that your website is mentioned on here, it's kind of like if your website was mentioned, if your restaurant was mentioned on the news. That adds credibility. Hopefully it's good stuff that they're saying on the news. It adds credibility to the community because they say, hey, listen, I heard about that on the news or the radio. Well, it's the same kind of thing with the internet. Easy Articles is a popular place, and whenever your site is mentioned on here, it's good for you. Now, the nice thing is you don't have to submit your article and hope that somebody's going to publish it. They'll definitely do it for you. And you actually, you write it yourself. That way you're able to control the content yourself, and then you publish it, and then it appears on here. So let's go ahead and take a look here at some examples. Let's look at dog training. I just type in dog training tips. And lots of people come here every day looking for things. Okay, professional dog training tips to help stop begging. Okay, so if you have a dog that's begging for food, it can be a frustrating thing. I can understand turning to the internet to find out more information about that. So here's the article. You can see that Easy Articles has their ads in here and everything, but this is the actual article that the person wrote. And what they do is they allow you that after you write the article, you can then have a link to your own blog in here. So ideally what you would do is you would use this article as a way to establish yourself as an expert, and then after they read the article, they're going to say, hey, listen, you know what, this article helped. I'd like to learn more about this. Or, this person sounds like a credible professional dog trainer. I want to learn more. So then they click on this link and they go to your website, and then the rest is history. Hopefully you get a sale out of the deal. Let's scroll down here. I want to show you an interesting statistic. This article has been read 56 times. Now let's look at some of the most viewed articles. Okay, does your dog have the potential to bite someone? The answer is yes. So if I had a dog, that would worry me, because I wouldn't want to be biting owners. Let's see how many times. Okay, this article here has been viewed 1,600 times. That is a lot of people. And keep in mind, this person didn't pay any money for that. They just wrote this article, and they've gotten all these views. So it's a really powerful source. Also, let me show you something here. I bet, let's say that I were to go to Google and type in, does your dog have the potential to bite someone? And the very first result is that article. So you can see how this article ranks in the search engines, which is a pretty cool thing, because this article directory is so powerful, you'll find that it'll get results in the search engines as well. So it's a great way to jump off and start, because it's a powerful place and you're already going to have authority, rather than creating your site and then waiting until your own site has authority. So it's a great way to start out. It doesn't cost any money. Easy Articles. It takes a couple days for them to approve your article, but once you've gotten several approved, they bump you up and it goes quicker. So I highly suggest that you check it out, and easyarticles.com is the best place to start.